After years in the stereo business, VDP has gone wireless. Introducing the wireless Bluetooth amplified sound wedge. You don't need wires to play music from your speakers anymore. It's simple. Turn on the speakers, turn on the Bluetooth on your smartphone and choose VDP. Push play and enjoy. This tough, weather-resistant, roto-molded plastic enclosure includes one powerful 100-watt built-in amplifier, a 12-foot power cord that connects with any 12-volt power source, separate docking station to hold your iPod or MP3, a 2-channel, 200-watt marine-grade speaker system with two 200-watt marine-grade 6.5 woofers and mid-range speakers, as well as two 1-inch marine-grade tweeters. These speakers easily mount to any roof or 1.5 to 2-inch roll bar. Of course, it includes all mounting hardware and instructions, and for added convenience, this speaker system does accommodate auxiliary cables. It's also not just for Jeeps, great for UTVs, cars, boats, and golf carts, as well as all camping and tailgating events. Enjoy premium sound on the go, the Bluetooth amplified sound wedge, available now. VDP, driving simplified.